Hey guys, welcome back again to another Windows 10 Mobile OS review. So this is Lumia 630 running Windows 10 Mobile build 10586.122, and that has been rolled out yesterday morning itself. And already I have made a first impression video in which we discuss a lot of things like what are the changes has been done exactly, and how do you get back to, how do you find that update, how do you take update, because things has been changed now, and this update has been released to insider slow and release preview, not to the fast ring. So there are three ways you can do that. So I will request you guys make sure to watch the first impression video, and here is a video title, you can check that, and definitely it will help you because I have covered all the detailed changes on there. So from yesterday morning itself I was checking out the phone and itself the performance and what are the things the changelog has make sure and mentioned. So all things has been fixed out, there's nothing problem at all that anything that is written is broken yet. So I'm not going to cover all the exact changes there, and but still like right here you can see this is what exactly has been changed log. So change log you have seen now. For exactly detail, make sure to watch the previous video. I will put the link in the show notes. Today we are quickly going to see how the Lumia 630 is going to perform, and why I am focusing on this, because this is the build that you might receive on your phone via the OTA from the next week, hopefully when the Microsoft will release out the build to the public for the running Windows Phone 8.1. So if you guys have Windows Phone 8.1 running on Lumia 630, and definitely you can watch this video and clearly and understand. Instead of me explaining how things are working, you can watch how when I'm opening any app opening, how much time it is taking and how much stuff is taking and all. So and all things have been fixed that are mentioned here. So we will quickly open all the apps and see the random performance and all. So this is Microsoft Outlook app. You can see all the apps. Lumia 630, I already have praised this device, and it's a very nice phone. I've always used this phone. WhatsApp's always so loading, no problem with that, so never bothered about that. Messaging app, Lumia 630 handles everything very well. Messaging apps takes time because it has now Skype built in, so it takes some time to come back and things there, since this is a 512 MB RAM device, so obviously we can expect these things there. So I don't have any problem. We can see most apps open just fine. And let me show you guys exactly. There was a issue with the video recording, and I just have filmed a video before, a 10-second video. I stored that to SD card, and there was a performance improvement Microsoft says from this current build. So you can see. So video is working fine, no problem at all. So it's recording an SD card, so there's no issues like the phone is not able to play. So this has been fixed in the earlier, it was some shaky kind of. So voice recorder app is working perfectly. See, there were some issues in the voice recorder app. I will let you guys know there's a bug on that. Already I have made a video, you can check out. This is video title I compared with the Android voice recorder, so make sure to watch that video in case you're using the voice recorder a lot. See, hike messenger, it's also opening fine, you can see. And I will show you guys again the Facebook today received a major update, you can check out, and or you can read the thing in my cell phone app too under the store updates. A lot of things has been added in the Facebook. It's like more features taken from the Android stuffs, that features available there. So store is also working fine. It has been improved a lot in the stability. It is taking less time in downloading and searching now. And I just updated this 520. As I told you in the first video, it was not updating fine, so I just reset my phone and everything getting updated. And you can see I will make you guys the demo by tomorrow, and I'm still checking what are the fixes there, whether it's really the people running 520 I should update that or not. And so let me turn on the GPS and we will see here maps. This is a heavy app, so take some time and open. So anyway, it's fine. Windows Maps is also very good. Some third-party app, for example, this battery saver app. So some apps need to be optimized according to Windows 10 Mobile. This is some old Windows 8 or 8.1 apps, so taking some time and open. And let us open some heavy apps like OneNote. So opening very fine, no problem at all. You might be hearing some bird song, guys. I got a lot of trees in background, so these things are coming. So all the heavy apps open fine, and Microsoft Edge has been really improved, and there was swiping issues was there. For example, if I just open a new tab here, and alright, let us type Google. This swiping problem was there. You can see now the workflow keyboard is working very fine, and this if I go to the tabs here and close all tabs, so this also has been fixed. So you can see now everything is working fine in this tabs too. Weather app. So with low-end devices, I really like this performance because 635, you guys who have 635, they have this 1 gig of RAM. Definitely, you will get a good performance. And then similar specs to Lumia 640 XL, and People app also no problem. So most apps works very fine here, and any other app, for example, if I open the Windows Feedback app. There's also some improvement in the feedback app. I just submitted one feedback yesterday just to test, and everything is working fine. So you can see there is improvement in alarms and clock. This is stability improvement, nothing else. So this is my wake up time, and I think it's fine. Voice recorder, it's nice. So easily opening, easily closing, not a problem at all. 630 users, a good choice to go, no problem at all with you. And you're going to get the same build 122. Hopefully it is just rumored, not confirmed by the Microsoft, but we are thinking since the build is quite stable, very less specs now, and you will get the same stuff. And let me show you guys actually the battery life, because I charged it yesterday when I was updating the morning. You can see from that time I use this quite a lot, and it's up to 44%. So 630 was giving a good backup earlier too. With the 44%, it shows 1 day in 7 hours, and I charged it yesterday back at 100% morning 6 a.m. in terms of battery. So any other app we can show you guys here, and we will just quickly open some of the games. I will play Asphalt here and Temple Run 2. So we will first launch Asphalt 8 and see how the game is launching. We'll close it and we'll play it later, or we will let it in the background and we will check the multitasking, and then we'll come back again. Games need a RAM mode because they need a lot of stuff to store in the memory internally. Anyways, this is never going to fix. I don't know what is the problem behind that. This is software issues. Microsoft doesn't bother to fix these things. The phones that are released in the Microsoft name, they easily fix 640 XL, the same thing, same spec, just 512 MB more RAM, and they fix that issues. I don't know why they're not fixing it. So this game you have seen. Time doesn't take. I don't know. I'll come back again to that. You see, magic. Game is still working. It's kind of freeze happened there. Now it has gone. We'll come back to that game later and see what is the problem with that. Now we'll see the Dream Logo Seeker, how it is opening fine or not. So this game also launched fine, and we will just quickly open the Temple and 2 here, and so open the Railers first. So you can see games are also opening fine in 630 with this build. So this phone has a less memory, so sometimes these things happen. This is not about the games and also because it has a less memory, so these things happens with that game. And Yeah, now you will get. So still the background process is only has 8 limitation of 8 apps. So you can see a lot of stuff's running. If I close everything, and then the phone will start working fine. See, now I'm getting the good performance. So make sure to close if your phones are of low specs. So definitely you should be checking and closing all these things. You see, lot of dozens of apps are running in the background. That's why phone went slow. So you should be keep checking these things. It's 2016 year, and Microsoft don't fix. They build the continuum but not fixing all these things. So let's play Temple Run 2 and see. Get a stable first. Yeah, it's working smooth now. Here's Temple Run 2. So I didn't find any lag till now. That's first more important thing, and it's smooth till now, no issues. We'll play and see. In the real build it was also fine, and we are hoping the same tradition game should work fine. Actually this phone glass is actually broken, so I got some problem. You can see some touch issues is there. I need to press hard. Actually this tempered glass is broken. So till now I didn't find any lag, so that is more important. So Temple Run 2 will work absolutely fine. So 630 will handle all the stuff fine. So you can see guys, I don't have any problem with that. So let's quickly play Asphalt 8 and we'll see how that more heavy game work on that. So these things happen here just because of memory here internally. So overall my verdict is that 630 is a very well device to handle Windows 10 mobile, but make sure to turn all the background processes, and like I shown you guys, so many processes run internally, and after day by day usage your phones get slow. So these things will happen, and even if you're not closing, make sure to close at least apps that are, if you're playing games and all, they do lots of memory that put out in there, and do these things and check out the battery saver stuffs internally and disable most of the background apps that you don't need. Windows 10 mobile runs fine. I will sure make sure to make a new video and show you guys exactly the tips to improve the low phones battery performance and overall performance. Till now I haven't found any lag. So anyways, this is working very fine. Just one lag I found it here right now, and apart from that no issues. So working very fine. You can see no issues and no lags. So gaming test also passed for the Lumia 630, but these games were installed in SD card, so that's why some problem is there. If your card is not a very high configuration or specs, so these things will happen. So I didn't find any issues in playing and all. No lags. So that's it guys, a quick review. I mean how to, if you want to update it there, definitely go ahead update, otherwise you can wait for OTA. You might be getting the same build, and Lumia 630 is very fine in terms of gaming and issues. You can see it's working very well like a charm, no problem at all. So stay tuned for my next video. If you have any problem, you can write to me on my Twitter @GISupport. And do comment me if you want to look any exclusive game and app demo. I will try to make that here for you again guys, and that's it. So thanks for watching again and have a nice day ahead. I will talk to you next one.